This is unseen sunscreen for the body. Let me see what this looks like. Oh, okay, that's what the normal unseen looks like. That's unseen, right? It's clear. Ooh, I'm obsessed. Feel it. It feels like slippery. It's isododicane, I think. Let's see what the base is. Yeah, isododicane base. That's what makes it clear. I just don't know if the slipperiness would bother me or not, you know? But this is amazing. You can really feel the coverage. Like, I feel like it's very thorough with its coverage. I bet you could use this on your face and body, though. I didn't realize they had a separate one for the body. For the body, unseen for the face.
How's it composed differently, like for your face and your body?
That's what I'm looking. Definitely more minimal ingredient list for the body, which I like. They use the same exact active ingredients, but the body one has slightly higher percentages of those active ingredients. I don't really know what that exactly means, but they're both SPF 40. I think the issue is with this one, for me at least, it has olive oil, which like can clog pores, and for me it definitely clogs pores. Yeah. So this one might use a little bit higher like quality ingredients for the face or something, you know? I would probably still buy this because I don't really want olive oil on my face. It's okay once or twice, but not for like a daily usage, you know?
Yeah. It's like a natural oil though. Like
yeah, like for the body, the hair, yes, but for the face, I swear it clogs my pores.